Hi everyone, today we're making a delicious keto snack, bacon-wrapped asparagus. This dish is simple, quick, and perfect for your keto lifestyle. Let's get started. Ingredients you'll need: 500 grams of fresh asparagus, 10 slices of bacon, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Step-by-step instructions. 1. First, clean the asparagus. Rinse it under running water and trim off the tough ends. 2. In a small bowl, mix olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Brush this mixture evenly over the asparagus to add flavor. 3. Take each asparagus spear and wrap it with a slice of bacon, ensuring the bacon is evenly wrapped around the spear. 4. Place the bacon-wrapped asparagus on a baking tray lined with parchment paper to prevent sticking. 5. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and bake for 20 minutes, or until the bacon is crispy and the asparagus is tender. 6. Finally, plate your bacon-wrapped asparagus and enjoy. Pro tip: if you want the bacon extra crispy, turn on the broiler for the last 2 to 3 minutes of cooking. Give it a try and you'll fall in love with this flavorful keto-friendly dish. Enjoy.